Greetings in the light, my friends. Today, my friends, planet Earth stands at the greatest decision point that it has ever faced. Man of Earth has two choices, for he stands at the threshold of the greatest change in the history of your planet and your system. You can decide to take a new path of love and understanding and avoid a great amount of suffering, misery, or he can choose to continue on the path that he has pursued for so long and face destruction, great suffering, and mental torture. Man has allowed himself to be blindly led by the hypocrisy that has ruled humanity on your surface. He has been blinded to the truth. He has been blinded so completely that it is very difficult for him now to recognize or comprehend the truth of the situation that he faces. Great changes are taking place and will continue to take place upon planet Earth. The time has arrived when man must pay the penalty. He must pay his debt. A great amount of this debt, I am sure he could cancel if man of Earth would open his eyes and recognize the situation that he faces and do something about it. He still has a chance, I am sure, to compensate for some of his debt. How is this to be done? How, my friend? If Earthman would take upon himself to bring about justice, peace, and understanding, work long and diligently in this behalf, he could, I am sure, avoid a great amount of the catastrophe that he faces. In the first place, he could avoid any more chaos that you call war, and this in itself would cancel out a great amount of the suffering that would come from such events. And I'm sure if this were done in an atmosphere of peace and understanding was established, your Creator would see fit to withdraw some of the events that will face you. Do you believe this, my friends? Do you truly believe this? I wonder how many Earth people believe this to be the case. If we do believe thus, then we should act. Believing without action is useless. Too long has Earthman talked of the things that must be done and has not acted. Earth people today have a great sense of insecurity, and most of them know not why they feel thus. They have a drive within them that tells them something must be done, but they know not what. Let us then attempt to show them, to understand them, and to convey to them in some manner the idea that they must too understand their fellow man, that there must arise among mankind a love and understanding that will bring justice to all, that will return to man a feeling of security, a feeling of knowing that he is cared for, and that he in turn cares, that he is interested in the welfare of his brother, and that he lives and works not only for his own welfare, but for the welfare and well-being of all mankind. This, my friends, will come to planet Earth, but to how many it comes will depend on how many bring it to themselves first. For the great shuffle, so to speak, that portends that the division will be made. How many are left to carry on in the new age of peace, of love, of understanding and justice for all will depend upon you, Earthman. Earthman, it is in your hands. You are the judge. You shall make the choice, and this time is not far off. So with that said, now I leave you, my friend, by extending to you the love, the peace, and the understanding of my people. I am Oxal.